The other day, my wife Pam and I received an invitation to attend a party. And in that it said RSVP. Well, we often see that in invitations. But the interesting thing to me as a guy that spends a lot of time coaching people on their marketing was that they gave me one way to respond. That was call us. RSVP, please respond to us. One way. Call us. Do you do that in your business? Do you put down a way for someone to contact you that is best for you and not necessarily best for that person? You want to offer as many ways as possible. We asked our meetup group the other day, what other ways could they have put on there? Text us, fax us. I don't think I'd want to put that these days. Email us. They're all smoke signals. See us in person when you visit us wherever we're going. So make sure that you put down ways that people can respond to you that is best for them and not just best for you.